Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're creating a spread for Junk Journal the board game reflecting memories associated with flowers. Junk Journal the board game is a journaling prompt challenge I made last year and is available for free on my Ko-fi page, which will be linked below. The challenge has detailed prompts for those times when you just don't know what to create. So it makes it a little bit easier if you're new to journaling or maybe you've been feeling a little less creative and need a little push. I actually won a competition on Paper World with this spread as well, and you can see what I got from the competition in another video which I'll have listed below. In today's video, I'm creating a spread reflecting memories associated with flowers. So I chose my wedding bouquet, which has these lovely little yellow roses. I actually still have them dried in a glass jar. My aunt put my bouquet together and I absolutely loved it. It was beautiful in itself, but it was also really special to have a bouquet made by my aunt, who is one of the most creative people that I know. I also chose my wedding bouquet because we are celebrating our 10th anniversary this year. We decided to go to London to celebrate and we went to see the Lion King musical on the day of our anniversary, which was really special because our first dance was to a song from the Lion King. So thank you so much for joining me today and I will see you in the next one.